Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Wow. Whew.
I ain't never doing doors closed.
Keep the doors open?
I always do it doors open. I mean,
okay.
I don't even know how to do it closed.
You're good. Oh, this is like an all DS18.
Yeah, we gave you a demo of TDH.
Okay. Yep. I hear so many systems.
After,
wow.
Well, it was on Sunday.
Okay.
We couldn't do a demo.
Whoa. Do you have lights in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
wow.
the floor mats have lights.
Really? Oh, okay. That's pretty sweet. Nice. Okay. Can you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is Ryan. This is an all DS18 build. This is my wife's truck. It has 8 DS18 XX 12s.
Okay.
On 2 10Ks. And it has...
Wow.
These are speaker boxes, actually. They're not...
Right here?
Yes, 8 in each one.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So we keep up with the bass.
Yeah.
Because I cut all the other doors off and stuff like that.
Really? Okay. How much lithium and alternator power?
We have, right now we got one MacMan 370. We got to send out the other one so we can get a single wire both. We have 160 amp hour excess power lithium again.
Nice. And this is a sealed box with the 4th order included? Okay.
I did not know the tuning because we got it like 3 or 4 years ago, so I forgot the tuning.
Okay. Wow, nice. Any SPL tests on it?
No.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. So keep the doors open better?
Yeah.
Okay. It's really good.
I mean, like that shit's right.
Yeah. Some thick plexiglass.
Yeah,
it's about an inch or so. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
Looks good. Is there a way I can see under the hood too, just to see the alternators?
Right now we got one.
Okay.
It's a 370.
Okay.
Down here.
Got it.
This thing is, this truck charges at 13.5, so we had to get it as a single wire. So it's a wire go right
yeah,
here.
yeah. Got it.
So now it's charging at 14.6 like it's supposed to. So when we gave you the demo on TDH, it's only at 13.5.
Really? Okay, you had to upgrade it.
And we upgraded the 10Ks. Those are rated at 18 volts.
Really? I have to go look at the amps too. I haven't seen it. Wow.
And we had to cover this.
Who built this? This is really nice.
I did the whole install, so we had to.
Wow. Really clean. Nice. Wow.
Yeah, we got a 10K for 4 subs.
Okay. Wow. So you're able to remove this beauty panel if you need to do your wiring work and tuning. Got it. Okay. Looks really good. That's smart.
We just did it a couple days ago.
Okay. Nice.
You want me to put the lights back on? Or?
Yeah, if you can. I'm going to take one more picture if that's all right. Your whole vehicle's modeled around DS18 and the red logo looks good. Hey, how you doing, man?
Pushin. Yeah, Pushin. Turn me up. Windows in the paddock, get my piece. I'm Pushin P. Cup on here, almost fill my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the back. Jacob, please.
DS18.
Yeah, that's good. Really good motor force, punchy too for that. Yeah, they did good.
This truck really surprised the shit out of me.
Oh yeah,
with those DS18s.
Without the big motor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice job, man. And that's door open. That higher note made me sneeze.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Thank you very much, man. Wow, that's wild. Really musical build too.